OpenAI has recently been working on advancements in creating new AI agents, which can be used for a variety of applications, from assisting in everyday tasks to more specialized functions in industries like healthcare, business, and entertainment. Here are some notable OpenAI agents and advancements that have been discussed or released recently. 1. ChatGPT with Advanced Agents, 2025. 1. ChatGPT continues to evolve, now incorporating multi-agent systems where different agents can interact with each other. 1. These agents are designed to perform specific tasks more efficiently and can collaborate within complex environments. 1. OpenAI's efforts are likely geared toward improving how these agents can manage more complex workflows, automate tasks, and even collaborate with human users on high-level goals. 2. OpenAI's multimodal agents. 1. OpenAI is integrating multimodal capabilities, text, images, audio, and video, into agents. 1. This means that agents can interact in a much more comprehensive way, such as analyzing text, images, and speech, and respond with appropriate outputs in different formats. 1. This development allows for more versatile use cases in areas like content creation, design, and customer support. 3. Reinforcement learning agents. 1. OpenAI has made strides with reinforcement learning (RL) agents, where agents are trained to optimize certain behaviors based on rewards. 1. These agents are particularly important in environments where a goal is reached through trial and error, such as in gaming, robotics, and simulations. 1. The aim is to create AI that can learn and adapt to real-world situations by continuously improving based on feedback. 4. Autonomous systems, e.g., robotics, vehicles. 1. OpenAI has been advancing AI agents in autonomous systems, where the agent's task is to navigate and make decisions without human intervention. 1. Examples include robotic agents that can learn tasks in real environments or autonomous vehicles that can navigate cities, handle traffic, and ensure safety while driving. 5. OpenAI Codex. 1. Codex is a powerful AI model by OpenAI that enables agents to assist with programming tasks. 1. Codex can understand human input in natural language and generate code in response. 1. This is a step toward creating programming agents that can automate development, write code from specifications, and debug existing code. 6. OpenAI agents for business automation. 1. OpenAI has been pushing for business-focused agents that automate various functions, such as customer support, sales processes, and content creation. 1. These agents can interact with customers in human-like conversations, analyze data, and generate reports automatically, reducing the need for human involvement in routine tasks. 7. GPT-4's agent capabilities. 1. GPT-4, the most advanced language model from OpenAI, has been integrated into new agent frameworks. 1. GPT-4 agents can execute complex, multi-step tasks, understand and interpret multiple inputs simultaneously, and adjust their behavior based on new data. 1. These agents show the ability to reason and make decisions based on long-term goals, much like an autonomous assistant. 8. OpenAI's DALL-E for creative tasks. 1. DALL-E, an AI capable of generating images from text prompts, is also considered a type of agent, one that's specialized in creative generation. 1. OpenAI is working on expanding DALL-E's abilities, allowing it to handle even more nuanced creative tasks, such as designing assets for games, virtual worlds, and advertising materials. 9. Agent-based simulations. 1. OpenAI has been experimenting with simulations where AI agents are used to create highly dynamic environments in which other AI agents interact. 1. These environments can be used to train multiple agents for real-world scenarios like traffic management, logistics, or crowd control. 10. AI agents in education. 1. OpenAI's focus on educational agents is growing, with AI agents designed to tutor students, assist with homework, or explain complex topics. 1. These AI agents are capable of delivering personalized learning experiences, adjusting their responses based on the student's knowledge level.